Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys Clovia haul. So basically I bought like bunch of night suits and it's summer right now and we need a lot of summer wear. So I bought like bunch of night suits and those are pretty affordable and I really love the fabric. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's just get started with today's video. So first one we have is this, and this is what it looks. So this basically has a very cute cactus print all over the shirt. So this has like a collar sort of, collar, and I really love how this look, and it has like a short sleeves with a few buttons. So yeah, and you get with a shorts. So so yeah, this is what the short looks like, and in summer you need some shorts and I really love wearing shorts in summer. And as you can see, it has a proper elastic waistband. So this is basically a dusty pink color. Yeah, this costed me around 741 rupees. I really love this short as well. It has a very good elastic waistband and the pockets right here, and it costed me around 750, and the fabric is also really good. It's a proper cotton material. So yeah, summer is really so hot right now, so you need a lot of summer wear. The next one we have is this, and it's a really cute color. It's a beige color with checks and black buttons. So yeah, this is what it looks. And compared to the last one, this is super light in weight. This is rayon fabric, I feel. So this is basically rayon fabric and I really love the quality as well. It's super light in weight and this costed me around 700 rupees. I feel for 700 it's super affordable. You're getting this total nightwear set. So it's basically this and with a short. So yeah, this is what the short looks like. I really love this. It's a very pure beige color with black checks. So the combination is really good. The pure beige and black checks are super good. The look is really good. It's such a natural color. Next one we have is this. So this is basically a green checks shirt and full pant. So yeah, this is what the checks look like, and yeah, this is really good for summers. I really love how light this weight, super light in weight, and I really love the color as well. So this is basically 100% cotton and it costed me around 842 rupees. So yeah, I really love this and the quality is really good. It's very lightweight and it's a cotton material, and you get the same full pant, and it has this elastic waistband. Yeah, so this is what it looks. It's a really comfortable and a soft quality. So yeah, you can definitely check this out. I'm gonna give the link in the description box. You can check that out. The next one we have is this olive green top. So this basically sleeveless top, and I love wearing sleeveless while I sleep. I just feel so comfortable while sleeping. So I really love wearing sleeveless, and it's a really soft material. It's a super quality. It has like a soft material, and as you can see, it has a V neck with this ruffle sleeves. With this you get same pants. So again, it's a cotton material pants. This again costed me 800 rupees. It's a set of two, boxer and a sleeveless top. So I think for 800 rupees it's worth the price because the quality is really good. It's super soft. And the next one we have is this satin pajama, and this is the first time ever I am, you know, ordering the satin sort of summer wear. And I really love, it's not super silky, it's a very soft material. So yeah, it's a very cute pink color with this black piping all over the shirt. Yeah, I really love the color. It's a very cute pink color with this sort of piping, black piping, and the buttons are really good. The contrast is really good, and this costed me around 854 rupees. So with this, I got this, you know, full pant, which is basically a full satin sort of pants. So I really love this. I did not really try satin summer wear, so I'm really waiting to try this out. And the last one we have is this, which is basically animal print crop top and full pants. So as you can see, it has a black and a blue sort of animal print. I really love this. It's basically a crop top. I really love this. It's a very cute green and blue sort of crop top. Basically costed me 750 rupees, and I think for 750 it's pretty affordable, and even the fabric is really good. It's a very lightweight material. So yeah, and then you get this a very loose night pants. So yeah, it has this elastic waistband with this you know, adjustment thread, and yeah, you have this very cute animal print night. So yeah, these are the basically night summer wear. If you like this, make sure you check the description box. You can check that out. These are really affordable and the fabric is really good. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and I hope you all love this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye.